In this video, I'm going to show you how to take notes in Notion. So as we know, Notion is an all-in-one productivity and organization tool that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and collaboration features all in one workspace. So in here to take notes in Notion, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account and navigating to your selected workspace, this will then automatically direct you to the workspace wherein you can already input notes. So as you can see in here, when you click on this blank space, you can see that you can already start typing in here and input all the necessary information about the notes that you're going to take. Now, other way to do this is to just simply go to the slash keyboard. And once you click this will show up AI meeting notes in here, AI block, and other necessary changes or necessary actions for the notes that you're going to take. So after that, this will then be automatically saved onto your Notion workspace. And that's about it. That's how to take notes in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.